Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. First off, love you. Glad you're back safely. Don't laugh. Oh, why? You know what's funny?
Not being able to do anything. Yeah,
That's not funny. Thinking that, oh, you're one of my favorites, and then I
All
keep
right.
waiting on a drink. And here we go. Listen, you have to know how to solve for y. We will be graphing in the next chapter. Okay, we're going to quadratics. We're spending a lot of time on quadratics. You need to know how to graph. So, I have to solve for y. I subtract 5x from both sides. That leaves me negative 7y equals negative 5x plus 14. Your calculators will do this. We divide each individual term by negative 7. In your calculator, negative 5 divided by negative 7, math enter, enter. Gives me positive 5/7 x. 14 minus 7 is negative 2. M equals B equals. William, what's my slope? 5/7. What's my B? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Negative 2 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's pretty good. That was a straight line. Questions? Do you have a question or no?
Well, I got it down to the one that I added.
Well, adding a negative 2 is the same as negative 2.
Okay.
Okay. Balance point. Distribute if needed. Start with one side. That gives me 10x minus 40 plus 7x. Combine like terms. 17x minus 40. Again, when you see it just like that, it should look easy. That's not hard. That's combining like terms and distributing. This side. Distribute, distribute. 6x minus 18. A negative times an x. What's that negative? It's really distributing a negative what? 1. Negative 1x minus 4. Combine, combine. That's 5x. Combine, combine. That's negative 22. Lost anybody yet? Subtract 5x from both sides. 12x minus 40 equals negative 22. Add 40, add 40. 12x equals 18. Is that right? Divide by 12, divide by 12. Let your calculator do your work. Do 18 divided by 12. Math, enter, enter. That goes to 3 halves. That would be the only acceptable answer. What questions we have? Anybody's?
I got x equals negative 6.
Huh?
I got x equals negative 6. What's that?
Let me make sure. 3 times negative 8 is negative 18. Is that correct? No, 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 no. Mr. H, no, it's not. That's negative 24. Why did nobody correct me? That's negative 28. Hold on. So that's negative 28. That gives me positive 12. 10x plus 7x is 17x. 6x minus x, that is 5x. That's 12x. Negative 40, add 40. So this gives me positive 1.
Yeah.
Go ahead, what?
No, you got it.
Does that make a little bit more sense? Do you see your mistake? Yes or no? Because I could easily make a mistake. It's Monday, and guess what? I've been known to make mistakes. You can ask either of my 2 marriages. First one or this one. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Notes out. Here we go. May I erase?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh. Who needs a book today? William pretty sure this is your book because I think you wrote on it.
It's not mine, but I did write my name on it.
Why?
To be honest, I don't remember why.
Okay. Man, this will upset Mr. H. Let's have this brand new book and I'll write my name on it in pen.
Let me call.
It's all right, William. It's all right. I love you anyway. I missed you when you were gone.
You're definitely the favorite,
Of what?
William. When you're gone, you get super sad.
I do get sad. Like, where's William? And he wasn't here. Okay. So, we are doing matrix operations. You're going to hear two different words. You're going to hear the word matrix, which is one of the thing, and you're going to hear matrices, which is multiple matrix. Okay? So first off, the word matrix, a rectangular array organizing data. That is the more mathematical term. And if I went straight from the book, a matrix is a mathematical tool used in many areas. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. But it's a way of organizing data. That's what this is for. A matrix is used to organize data. Okay? Each number in the array is called an element. So there are elements of our matrix. An example of a matrix. It's going to have brackets. 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. You have two things. You have rows, which go this way. You have columns, which go this way. Okay? We name matrices by a capital letter. This is matrix M. The way that I would name this matrix is saying that it is M 2 by 3. We go rows by columns. Okay, so this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Everybody with me? Okay? If I wanted M 2, 2, what is the element that is M 2, 2? Well, that means the row, the second row, the second column. With me? M 3, no. M 1, 3. Row 1, column 3. Relatively easy, right? Yes, no, maybe? Okay, so what type of matrix is this? It is a column matrix. This would be called a column matrix. But what would be the rows in the columns? How would I name this matrix? This is matrix C. Go ahead.
1.
What?
It's just 1.
Well, it's always rows by column. So how many rows?
1.
Rows are...
Oh, 4 to 1.
So this is a 4 by 1 matrix. That is called a column matrix. This would be called a row matrix. What is this? What matrix is this?
R3 by 1?
So is there 3 rows? Because rows go first. So it is a 1 by 3. 1 row, 3 columns. Rows by columns. So I'm going to put this here. Always rows by columns. There is no good way to tell you because I'm like, oh man, sometimes it's alphabetical order. This isn't even alphabetical order. There's nothing for me to say. Okay? Do me a favor. Open up to page 147 in your book. Okay, we're going to use 147. Okay, so we're going to look at the summer camp scripture memory. Okay? We're going to look at that summer camp scripture memory. May I erase this? Yes? Okay. There are 2 ways to do this. We are going to use the data that is in that bar graph, or that histogram, whichever one it is. I didn't really take a good look. Histograms and bar graphs are very similar. Okay? So, we have 3 things. We have a blue team, a red team, and a green team, right? If I wanted to make this into a matrix, I can go blue, red, green. I can go blue, red, green. It doesn't matter. Which would you like to do? Do you want to make the colors the rows or the columns? The rows. So, the rows are my blue. My blue is 12, 5, 6, and 16. 12, 5, 6, and 16. This is my blues. Okay, does everybody see how I got that? Finish the rest of it. Okay, so give me the red. Go ahead. 10?
11, 10, 19.
Good.
And green
Go ahead.
is 15, 4, 13, 12.
This is another way to organize data. That's all that matrices are. Don't make more of a matrix than what it is. It just is another way to organize data. Is this hard?
No.
Okay, so let's call this, because this is going to be, what is it? Summer camp scripture memory. We're going to call this matrix S. Okay, so here's the ones you're going to find for me. S24, S13, S34, and, oh, come on, Mr. H. S2, 3. Find those. Today it's very important that you know row by column and that you know how to find each individual data, because tomorrow we're going to add and subtract with these matrices and you need to know where we're at. That's most important. And remember, it's always rows by columns. Rows by columns, rows by columns. Okay, William, give me S24.
19.
Row 2, column 4, it is 19. Good. Patrick, give me S13.
B6.
So row 1, just say 6. That we're only looking for the data. Lydia, S34.
12.
Row 3, number 4. And Ava, S23. What? 10. Is this hard?
No.
So, matrices. Matrices are 2 or more of them. They're called a matrix. They're row by column. What's the point of a matrix? It is only to help organize data. Questions? Okay. Your homework is in the book. You've got 15 minutes. You are doing pages 148, 149. You're doing numbers 1 through 27 odd. So page 148, 149, numbers 1 through 27, the odds. Questions? Good luck.